This is the cafeteria, and people just chat a lot. But when it comes on the microphone, then they quiet down.
So we can get a picture of the cafeteria? Can we go walk in there?
I don't think.
You can. It's
I
alright.
think we can.
Good, walk through.
Yeah. You're good. There you go. You're good.
This is my
This
class.
is your class?
Oh, let's go in and say hi to your friends. Can we go in and say hi to your friends?
Yeah, go show
Come
me
on,
your-
Mr. Beanbag Monster. Hey, Bastion.
Don't worry about that piece. Don't worry about that. Let's go back here and look at. I hear some friends in here. Can we go say hi?
Here's
Wellness.
the one.
Say hi to the wellness. Just
Yeah,
go in.
come
I
on
need you
in.
to get a picture. Let's go in.
Oh, this is my brother's class.
It's alright. Mrs. Torres is really nice, so she wouldn't mind you in here.
So here's music, like in there, and here is art. They're just talking about some stuff.
That's okay. You're okay. We were just
Hey, Mr. Patton.
Doing a little video.
little video. We're checking out the art room. Is that okay? All right.
Hey, Wade. How you doing?
It's a low angle. Get it now.
Upstairs we go. No, why don't we check out things? What if we just not go outside? It's cold. No, what if we actually went outside? Hey, everybody in the It's freezing.
It's freezing.
Yeah.
Well, how about if we just show where the playground is? We won't go
So-
out very.
So there's the small playground, and the big playground might be hidden in the trees. But see that gray slide right there? That's the big playground.
Oh, I see. Do you play on the big playground?
Yep.
You do? Let's get a quick picture of the door. I'll hold the door, and you get a picture of the playground for me real quick. Can you boys get a picture of the playground?
If you just want to walk out and come
You
back
want to
in.
walk out, come back in?
It's a little cold.
Just walk. Oh yeah, it's too cold. Okay, that's good. We're good.
It even has a Z for Designs for Illegals. Yeah. Let's go check out some
That's the
grades.
bathroom.
Yes, there's some kindergarten rooms in here.
There are. Where are the kindergarten rooms?
Right here.
Show us. Just getting a quick picture.
Here's the nurse.
Say hi to Mrs. J.
Hey folks. Hi folks, how you doing today? Hey Austin, how you doing today? Yeah. Hey Austin.
The stairs here, boys.
Cheese. This is last special's room. This is Barb.
Now Mrs. Jordan.
Let's go in here with our camera. What do you do when you come in here?
You just walk to the elephant rug.
To the elephant rug.
Oh.
What do you do on the elephant rug?
You just sit. And then you can go over to the tables and watch a new movie. I'm gonna get a picture of myself. Cheese. No, we're doing fourth grade next. Okay, fourth grade.
You're okay, bud.
There's the elevator. Let's go see my brother.
What is your brother in?
Even we have a GoPro. Yeah, the GoPro. Yeah, GoPro. No, you're a pro when you're going. GoPro.
Welcome to Stonegate.